Okay, here's a short demo of the Swivel-O-Matic Astronaut in the silver blue color that I was repairing. Cleaned up the clicker lever. I don't know if we already looked at the box or not, but if not, get the Amigo, the Japan, the SH. Got your side description and the visual description. And function wise, let's get enough room for him to walk. And he's got the pretty green switch that was so customary with him. It's a 2D cell battery operation. Very minty, very clean. I don't think it's been played with too much. It's your standard ratchet feet shuffle walker and your astronaut face. I'll link to the inside one where I was working on it so you can see how the inside guts work in the description box down below.